DWKit is a solution for companies who are looking for a simple tool to build web applications. It includes visual designers that help you build forms and workflows. You do not need any training to start working with DWKit. We've made everything quite simple. In fact, it's as simple as assembling a Lego kit with instructions. DWKit ensures low time to market. We have a friendly licensing policy. You can choose either a one-time payment or a subscription. Access to the source code provides you with the ability to deeply customize DWKit and prevents vendor lock-in. Let's have a look at the core features of DWKit. Use the Form Builder to create forms straight from your browser. The drag and drop interface makes it easy to create forms of any complexity. Use the Visual Designer to create workflows. This is a simple yet powerful instrument. Even your users will be able to edit workflows. We also built a RESTful API for integration, which allows you to exchange data between third-party applications and DWKit. All this allows you to create an enterprise-grade application fit for your needs. Be it a CRM or HR management system, a document approval system, or a case management system. DWKit is also perfect for creating a back-end for mobile applications and automating back-office processes. If your company has been developing its own system for a long time, integration with DWKit will allow you to add new functionality and ensure a smooth migration. If you are looking for something that will allow you to hit the market faster and save development efforts while retaining control over your product, then DWKit is the solution you need. You have made the first step towards DWKit. Now make another. Download the trial.